Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. I will show you how to lose buttocks and abdomen fat in a week. Through gum arabic drink without exercise, to enjoy buttocks and abdomen flat. But in the beginning, if you are not subscribed to our channel, please support us by subscribing to the channel and activate the bell. Now let's go. The scientific name for gum arabic is Acacia senegal. Gum arabic is a sticky substance that solidifies to form crystalline pellets. There are three types of gum arabic: al-hashab, tola, and luban. Sudan is the first Arab country exporting gum arabic, with 80% of the world's total production. Gum arabic contains a high percentage of fiber, carbohydrates, protein and calcium. Why gum arabic? Gum arabic is characterized by many benefits. It reduces the absorption of sugar in the body, reduces convulsions and swelling, protects against colon cancer, and is very useful for children because of its high calcium content. The benefits of gum arabic go beyond the body. It also has cosmetic benefits. It eliminates wrinkles, pimples and freckles and treats hair loss. Benefits of gum arabic for weight loss. In addition to the benefits already mentioned, gum arabic plays an important role in weight loss, regulates the secretion of insulin in the body and therefore adjusts blood sugar, protects the body from toxins and excess fats and prevents their accumulations in the body, provides the body's need of fibers without the use of foods that lead to weight gain, activates the function of organs that contribute to the burning of fats, treats the problems of the digestive system and regulates the process of absorption of nutrients, which contributes to weight loss. Gives the body a consistent shape by reducing fat accumulation in the abdomen and buttocks by distributing it to the entire body. Gives a feeling of satiety because it is rich in fibers, which reduces the appetite. Reduces the absorption of sugar in the blood. Side effects of gum arabic. Scientific studies have shown that the treatment of gum arabic is very safe and does not cause any damage. Are you enjoying the video so far? Then give us your opinion to let us know how we are helping you in your health. Also, give it a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. How to use of gum arabic. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of gum arabic, 1 cup of water. The method: boil the water. Then dissolve 1 tablespoon of gum in the water. Cover it and let it soak for 12 hours, prefer from night to morning, and then by strain or filter it well. And drink it in the morning. 2. You can drink a cup before meals of about half an hour twice a day. It can also be ground and added to foods and salads. For the skin and hair, gum arabic is soaked in normal water or rose water and placed on the face or hair in the form of a mask. If you like to see more such videos, hit the subscribe button so that you can stay updated when I post new videos. Also, give it a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.